If a demon enters this world in the flesh, a counterpart must be appointed to stop it from becoming too powerful. It's you, Sienna. As long as you're alive, they're vulnerable, and they know it. That's why Daddy created the sword. Whoever chose me was guiding him. He was preparing me for this. So you think Victoria Hayes is a host now, isn't it? That's why she disappeared that night.
What do you want to do? What, do we just up and leave town? Call the cops? Tell Aunt Jess and Uncle Greg?
No, they'll never believe us, especially me. I have to go back to the Terrifier.
Why? It's still buried there, isn't it?
And if I'm right, it might be the only thing that can stop them.
Sarah, get back over here.
Wow, thanks, Santa. Hey, Santa's handing out presents!
What's going on here?
That's not Bill.
What?
That's not our Santa Claus.
Kids, clear out of here. You're going. Let's go.
Who's this Santa? He's scaring my kid.
Yeah, he's scaring me too.
What do you think you're doing? You can't be here. I said, let's go. Come on, get the kids out of here.
Sarah, what did I say?
Christ almighty, what's the uproar, people?
Get the fuck out. Don't come back.
Come on.
No!
Corey? Corey, get back over here.
Back in line, kids. Time for the real Santa.
Wonder what I got.
Corey,